Welcome to QuickInvestBrief. Your money is a boat on a river and you can't see the current. That current is inflation, the silent force that makes your dollars worth less every single day. But what causes this? Inflation is created when central banks print money out of thin air, flooding the economy with currency that has no new value to back it. As more money chases the same amount of goods and services, the price of everything goes up. This is not just an inconvenience. It's a direct threat to your financial future. But there's a way to fight back. This video will give you a simple system to protect your wealth and build a financial fortress against the bite of inflation. The invisible tax. Inflation is an invisible tax on your savings. It's the reason $100 in your wallet today won't buy you the same amount of groceries or gas in 10 years. Leaving your money in a traditional savings account is a guaranteed way to lose value over time. You are fighting a war against a silent enemy, and the first step to winning is to understand that the value of your dollar is continuously eroding. Your strategic anti-inflation system. To beat inflation, you can't just save your money, you have to put it to work. There are two core strategies for building your anti-inflation system. First, you must invest to outpace inflation. Over the long term, the most powerful and passive way to do this is by investing in low-cost index funds. An index fund, like one that tracks the S&P 500, allows you to own a small piece of the biggest companies in the world. As these companies grow and increase prices to keep up with the economy, their value, and your investment, rises with them. This is the single most effective way to ensure your money is growing faster than the rate of inflation. For diversification, you can also consider investing in hard assets that cannot be created out of thin air. Gold, often called God's money, has been a store of value for centuries because it is scarce. While its value can be volatile in the short term, over the last 25 years, its value has increased even more than the stock market, proving its resilience as a hedge against a declining currency. Similarly, for those who believe in the future of digitalization, a small part of your portfolio can be allocated to Bitcoin. While it does not have a long history, it is a truly scarce digital asset that has proven to increase in value well beyond the rate of inflation. Second, you must optimize your life to save more. Budgeting in an inflationary period is not about deprivation, it's about prioritization. It's about deciding where your money truly needs to go. Reevaluate your spending. What are your essential expenses? What are the flexible costs you can cut? This disciplined approach to spending gives you the extra cash you need to invest and fight back. Income optimization. Your paycheck is the most direct tool you have to combat inflation. You need to make sure your income is growing faster than the cost of living. This means proactively advocating for your value at work. Don't be afraid to ask for a raise that reflects both your performance and the current economic climate. Additionally, explore alternative income streams. Whether it's monetizing a skill, starting a side hustle, or finding another part-time job, every extra dollar you bring in is another brick in your financial fortress. Building a future-proof fortress. An emergency fund is your first line of defense against any financial shock, inflation or otherwise. But the size of that fund is not one size fits all. It depends entirely on your personal situation. If you have a family, dependents, or a job with an unstable income, you may need a larger fund, anywhere from 6 months to a full year of living expenses. If you're single with a stable, secure job, a 3 to 6 month fund might be sufficient. Tailor this amount to give yourself true peace of mind. Ultimately, beating inflation is not about quick fixes or complicated trading strategies. It's about building a simple, powerful system of smart investing, intentional spending, and continuous learning. By following these steps, you can ensure that your financial future is not a victim of the economy, but a testament to your discipline and foresight. If you found this insight helpful, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed to QuickInvestBrief for more powerful insights, briefly told.